Hey, it's yayforyarn, and today I'm going to be unboxing the July 2018 KnitCrate membership. So here is my KnitCrate for this month. It came in the mail yesterday, and I am super excited to open this up because just like they did last month, this month it's kind of like a surprise which color you get because there's 4 different variegated colorways of a worsted weight yarn, and it's a random selection, so you get one of 4 different colorways. So I can't wait to see which color I got. Alright, so the theme is Modern Primary, and I got Dashboard. That's the name of this colorway. This is really pretty. It has a lot of greens and blue and purple with this kind of brownish gold. It's maybe more of a camel color or a honey color. This is really nice. A bouncy worsted superwash merino. Very, very squishy and hand dyed. This feels really nice. I love the twist. I love how it has a very defined twist, and I think yarns like that kind of tend to split less when when they have a really nice twist in them, really tight. This is really pretty. So here are the patterns that are included with this month's crate. Here are some crocheted yoga socks or a beach ball cowl. So I'm definitely going to make this beach ball cowl because I really like the lace pattern in the fabric, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in these colors. I think it's going to be really neat. So if you're interested in trying out a KnitCrate, then you can see the link in the description box below and use the coupon yayforyarn20 for 20% off of your first crate. And if you want to see what my finished cowl looks like when it's done, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I will be eventually, once I finish it, posting a little video on that. You can also follow me on Instagram at yayforyarn if you just want to see the finished photos of my cowl. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried a yarn subscription crate in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.